Should you get a regular finance degree or should you get one of the more recent Fintech degree? That's a question a lot of people, both students and professionals looking to advance their careers, are continuously beginning to ask. The finance landscape has changed so much and continues to evolve as technology becomes more and more immersed in the space. Fintech is beginning to increasingly dominate the finance landscape as we transition into a more digital-first world. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the differences between the two educational options, the considerations that you should make in deciding which is best for you, and whether even having a finance degree is still relevant. If that sounds like an interesting topic, then let's chat about it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy, and if you're new here and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so because on this channel I speak about fintech, digital transformation, personal and career development. Deciding on which degree is best to facilitate your career ambitions is always tough. Back in the day, it was pretty much a no-brainer that if you wanted to work in the finance industry, you got a finance degree. However, in this day and age, it's really not that simple anymore. The finance industry is now heavily integrated with the technology industry, and it's become normal to find professionals who possess technical degrees working comfortably in finance spaces. The dilemma for most people then becomes, should I get a traditional finance degree or a fintech degree? And there's even a consideration for whether to get a technology degree and augment that with finance courses. So let's discuss what both degrees actually offer and what you can expect from each option should you decide to pursue them. Starting off first with what both curriculums typically offer. A finance degree is the more popular option, be it a first degree or a master's degree. The curriculum has been pretty standard for decades. Traditionally, the finance degree has been the facilitator for anyone looking to pursue a career in any of the finance subdomains such as in accounting, in commercial banking, investment banking, insurance, asset management, venture capital, financial advisory, actuary, stockbroking, and a whole host of others. It is considered one of the fields with the highest compensation packages, especially if you're looking to rise through the ranks to become a C-suite level executive, such as a chief financial officer. Now, obviously, there are many benefits to pursuing a career in finance, even in the traditional institution. It's a dynamic and forward-thinking industry that is constantly changing and growing. The actual jobs within the space require more technical skills and qualifications, so there is a demand for dynamic finance-savvy candidates. It's also a global industry, so regardless of geographic location, there are lots of opportunities and transferable skills that make for a good fit across the globe. Almost every job within the finance space involves problem solving, and the day-to-day activities require fixing complex problems for large and small companies. Also, there are varied career paths and options for different people. As mentioned, there are several subdomains, and it's normal to see people transition from one field to another within the space. There are working opportunities worldwide because companies need financial professionals. You could find yourself working in an entirely non-finance related industry because the transferable skills obtained in the space are to an extent agnostic. And finally, because the finance industry is integral to global economic growth, it tends to offer a more stable and pretty predictable career path. So the typical subjects covered in traditional finance degree courses are pretty standard. You have accounting, economics, both micro and macro, statistics, financial management, international business, business law, business ethics, calculus, marketing, strategic, and operations management. There are a few other niche topics that may be covered, and you do get to select electives or the majors you wish to specialize in. Now, moving on to the more recently popular fintech degree, there are definitely lots of overlaps between fintech and finance, since of course fintech is an iteration of finance infused with technology. Fintech has become a booming industry and has continued to grow every year. Globally, the fintech market is worth over $200 billion, and this growth has made fintech a popular career option for both graduates and professionals looking to make the transition. There are a number of reasons why getting a fintech degree right off the bat is becoming a consideration for many aspiring finance professionals. Fintech is generally accepted to be the future of finance. Hence, educating yourself in that regard is seen as a way to ensure your career against redundancy and prepare you for the future of work in finance. Fintech introduces new markets, new technology, new laws and legislation, and a more globalized finance market, which all indicate that the fintech industry is moving in a newer, more exciting direction. Fintech degree programs do include traditional finance models, but you also get to learn about the evolving technological aspects such as machine learning, data-driven financial modeling, data mining, and recent innovations like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and blockchain. Additionally, another great addition to the immersive emerging course landscape is the inclusion of soft skills training such as problem solving, analysis, and teamwork, all of which can be applied to many roles and are transferable to different industries. Several of the top careers in the fintech industry for fintech graduates include cybersecurity, blockchain, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. The course curriculum for a fintech degree typically includes subjects such as data science, AI for financial modeling, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, fintech entrepreneurship, algorithmic trading, banking regulations, regtech, enabling fintech, fintech governance, and fintech compliance. Now, in deciding which of these degrees is the right one for you, there are a number of considerations that you need to make, or rather questions that you need to ask yourself. If the career path you want to pursue is substantially traditional, with principles that are hard-coded and haven't changed in years, such as accounting or economics, because you want to either be a career accountant or economist, then you might better be served by a traditional accounting or economics degree and the associated professional certifications such as the ACCA, the CPA, or CFA that are recognized by employers in that field. You could augment that with a fintech second degree or a fintech course if you really do want to broaden your horizon about the evolving fintech space. Additionally, if your preference is stability and you want to have a more predictable career path with relatively less turbulence and change, again, a finance degree might serve you well to achieve that. However, if you prefer to go down a different, more innovative path within the finance space where not all your courses are finance specific and you get to imbibe unconventional technology courses, then a fintech degree might be it for you. If you consider yourself a tech-savvy finance person or a finance-savvy tech person, a fintech degree will be an exciting blend of both worlds and a great foundation for the new wave of innovation within the finance industry. However, it's important to bear in mind that you will still need to find a specialization because similar to finance, there are different subdomains and careers in fintech, so you need to pick a track. Lastly, I would say that it's important to bear in mind that a degree alone may not be all it takes to land a job in finance or fintech. Wherever you can, you should try and get as much practical work experience as possible, be it via internships or attachments whenever you get the chance. That counts for a lot and gives you a stronger foundation, which gives you the best chance of making that career transition. Across the financial services industry, organizations are evolving and finding new innovative ways to offer their services. There is a growing demand for finance professionals, as there always has been, but now with the advent of technology, fintech professionals are becoming more and more in demand. I hope this video has given you some insights as to which educational option between the two would serve the career path you wish to pursue. If you found this video valuable, remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment. As always, you can grab your African themed outfit from Wear Ghana with the link in the description. Have an amazing week and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.